you have not subscribed,
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I gotta hate myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your three.
right? Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you so much for the love on my previous vlog. Thank you so much, guys. And we hit 2,000 subscribers, currently on our way to 3K subbies, honey. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Guys, subscription is free. I think I've mentioned this before, but just to reiterate, subscription is free. You just click the subscribe button. That's it. Do you get? So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Anyways, let's get into the jinx of this video. Someone mentioned in my DM is that when I do an intro for my vlogs, I don't state who I am. And for the new subscribers, like, they don't know because my name is not K, which is what people probably think my name is. But guys, I am Kwanele Kumete, but my YouTube channel goes by the name Life with K. So I think I need to mention that now every single time. Either gonna be a few days or a week in my life. It's a reset vlog. I'm going back to work. Not happy about it, but I am going back to work and I have to get my life back together, right? So one of it was me doing my hair yesterday. I'll link the name of the salon. It's in Pretoria Central. I'll link it somewhere down there, right? I did my hair. I need to remove. It is embarrassing. And I literally pull my eyelashes out. I need to start. Honey, we have problems, okay? So I need to fix this. I need to fix this. I need to get groceries. I need to get back to gym. That is what we are doing in this vlog. So come with me and let's just do life together.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Dance too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex so D, your sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And they'll start hating only if you make it. Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of her friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you.
Morning, you guys. I am currently behind schedule by a whole 2 hours. I suddenly don't have time. Because I'm not going to iron. I'm putting this on my face. It's supposed to be helping with spots. I don't know if it's actually helping, but I'm just saying a fire. Sorry guys, I'm looking at the mirror this side. That's why I'm facing this side. And I managed to remove my lashes. I pulled them out. Well, what's new? Let's go to the gym, okay? Asambin. Guys, I forgot my gym shoes. I'm still in the house, first of all. And these are the only shoes that are available. Didn't stress because they are not comfortable. Or like forced. Because the devil shall not prosper. No, I'm wearing them. Ngizophigelela shem. Ngizabegezela nkosi yami. Asambini guys, sesihamba kwangempela ke manje sihamba.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. If the truth is not hiding, that's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it.
Okay guys, I just came back from the gym and I want to shower, make something to eat, and then start cooking for the week and clean afterwards. So I have quite a tedious job. I won't take you guys through that because it's going to take longer than it should, and I'm already late on the schedule that I had set out for myself today because I do want to rest for a couple of hours before I sleep and not like be working and still getting stuff together. So I'll see you guys probably when I'm done cooking and cleaning.
You make me float.
guys, and welcome back to yet another day of this vlog. It is a few days later, maybe 4, maybe 5 days later, but we are doing something exciting today. Well, for me, we are going washing machine shopping, honey, and I am excited. I hope I really find a washing machine, because not having a washing machine has been a real inconvenience in my life, okay? So I really hope I do find one. And yeah, obviously taking you guys along. And yeah, and I want to close this vlog off this weekend. I'm not taking this vlog yet into another week. So yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog, and please watch till the end. Bye.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Yeah, maybe we can go like that.
That was tough. That was tough.
Temperatures dropping, and you know what that means. It's cuffing season. That time of year when we find a man to keep us warm through these cold months. But not just any man will do.
That's right. We out here looking for some
Big boys.
siyamthanda polisi abamajwayele umkhathile abalomteshi zomkhathi.
Victoria a week ago by 27 points to 20, but Ireland turning it all around in the first half of this test match here in Durban. They lead by 16 points.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another day of this vlog. Today is Sunday and I am going to church. I'm running a little bit late, but I've already requested an Uber, so let's go to church. Afterwards, I need to buy groceries for this week, and I might just have breakfast after church because I haven't eaten now. Yeah, maybe we'll grab breakfast and then we come back. I have washing to do, cleaning, and I need to change my bedding. I don't know if I'll do the part where I come back and clean and wash with you guys, but yeah, that's basically the program for the day. So let's start the day. I'll catch up with you guys when I get to church. Hey guys, I'm back from church and the mall. So I'm a little bit tired, but we still need to get the things that I said we need to get done. So I'm going to start with removing like my bedding, do washing. I don't know if I'll do that with you guys because usually when I vlog and do chores, it takes like longer than it should. And I'm not trying to put in more work than what I'm actually going to do. So I'll see whether I do it with you guys or not. But let me get to that so that I finish early and can be able to rest for the rest of the Sunday. So yeah.
My stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind.
and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I put myself in the zone, get nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're sure the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby.
All my people been here. I see all of her friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And I'll